my YouTube channel. This is Sunny again, and for today's video, as you can see, nakita niyo mas type. Gagawa ko ngayon ulit ng makeup tutorial, which is a natural go-to makeup look tutorial. Ang tagal na nung tutorial ako ng makeup. Go back, way back. Go back. One Dip That's It makeup tutorial. I think that's the last challenge. I think yun yung last. Oo, yun. Yung One Dip That's It makeup challenge. So, challenge na, not really like a tutorial. Pero for today's video, gagawin ko a natural go-to makeup look tutorial. So, hope you guys like it. So, let's go ahead and start. Of course, start tayo with...
Oh my god! What is that?
With moisturizer. Of course, always moisturize. Number one rule. Always moisturize whatever you do. So let's go ahead and moisturize first. And if you're new, by the way, don't forget to click that subscribe button and also the bell icon. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you so much. If you guys have suggestions, alam nyo na. So after moisturizer, of course, next is I always use makeup spray para kumapit lalo yung nalagay nating makeup. So just a little bit, like that. Like that. Unti lang. And then habang nagpapatuloy siya, of course, binasa ko na yung sponge. And habang pinapatuyo ko yung mukha ko, pinipigaan ko na siya para hindi siya masyadong masakit yung sponge. So, piga lang. And then pag alam kong naset na yung makeup spray, next natin is, ano ba next?
I don't know.
Foundation. And lagi kong ginagamit yung BYS liquid foundation. Matagal na akong BYS user talaga. Just dot. So over the face. By the way, disclaimer, I'm not a makeup artist. So if you guys have suggestions, kung meron kayong comments, please comment down below. Of course, don't forget your neck, most and foremost. And then just go ahead and blend. Ang secret sa pag-makeup is blend. So blend lang ng blend. And blend. Then of course the neck. Guys, remember, pag mag-makeup ko, don't forget the neck.
Stop it. Get some help.
Remember, ang sekreto sa makeup is blending. So after na siya mag-blend, of course, we're using O2O concealer. The concealer mo sa under eye, mga highlighted areas. Blend in, blend lang ng blend. Blender.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
After ng concealer, let's start with the eye. Lalagyan muna natin siya ng konting concealer lang sa eye. Ayan. And then of course, blend. After ma-blend ng concealer, so unahin ko muna yung isang eye and then I'm gonna do the other side of cam. So ngayon, gagamitin natin, kuha tayo ng brush, yung medyo fluffy, brush na round. Tanggalin ko muna yung excess kasi ginamit ko ito dati sa party. Kung mapanood yung video nun, get ready with me. Para kung nag-drag, kapag yung colorful masyado ng makeup ko. So, tinanggal ko muna yung excess colors. Diba, hindi pa bininawan. Tapos, pag linis na siya, gagamitin ko sa may outer part is, so itong gagamitin ko, itong darker shade ng pink. Ito, darker shade ng pink. And then, ito naman sa, let's go ahead and do it. Because it's natural, dun tayo sa medyo nude na color. So, I'm gonna decide to change the palette to this palette. This one. Matagal na ito eh. Sa tagal, di ko na mabasa. So, ang shade na gagamitin ko, oh my god, it's hard to decide. But I'm just gonna use this shade sa outer. And then blend in ko na lang siya. And then I'm just gonna smudge some. But it's natural, so I don't wanna like parang maglulok na pupunta akong pageant or something. So I'm just gonna go back to the first palette.
Girl.
Let's go back to that shade, outer, then inner. Then I'm just gonna smudge some glitters. So let's go ahead and do it. And then, tak mo lang. Again, sikreto lang is blend lang natin. Okay, so nakalagay na tayo. Kukuha ako ng ibang brush, yung medyo mas round at saka mas maliit. Kukuha ako ng product same color. And then, lalayin ko lang siya sa may parang cut crease. Ayan. Parang i-apply ko lang siya yung product mo. And then, i-blend ko siya gamit yung first brush na ginamit ko. Yan, natural look lang siya. You don't have to look like going to a pageant or something. Ayan. Dahil nalagay ko na siya, next naman tayo is sa mas lighter na color, which is yung katabi niya, which is yung pinakita ko kanina, which is this one. This right here. So, we're gonna use a different brush. Ito na lang gagamitin ko. Parang medyo flat siya na brush. Actually, hindi siya medyo flat talaga siya. Parang dito mismo sa part. And this right now. Ngayon, pag nakapagad na ako ng konti, gagamit ako ng ibang brush. Yung round din siya kasi mas maliit sa unang brush. Actually, parang same lang siya. Kasi ito parang mas intact siya, let's say, sa both. So, ito yung gagamitin kong brush to blend in yung two colors. So, blend in mo. Tapos, dito sa dulo, parang ipapawing ko lang siya ng ganun. Yung pag-blend, pawing pa ganun. Yan. Then, so pag na-blend mo na siya ng maayos, doon ko na pang i-smudge yung itong silver na color here. You can use brush, pero dahil natural look lang siya. Eme-eme lang na pag malabas ka, magkakape nun, or whatever, sa office, just use your finger, smudge. Then put the product on your eyelid. If you need more, just add more. Alright. Don't forget to blend in para lang magsama yung color nila. Hindi magmukha patchy-patchy. Ayan. So, hindi siya OA. Hindi siya masyadong makapal. So, we finished the first eye. Now, I'm gonna do the eyebrows. Of course, hindi mo wala eyebrow. I'm gonna do also the right side first. Bago yung left, I'm gonna do the left side of kapo. Ang ginagawa ko, binabrush ko muna siya, set in face. Hindi ako naglalagay ng glue kasi hindi ko siya feel. You know, hindi ko, ayoko. Parang nakakairita pag feeling mo may glue. Kasi yung brows ko, hindi naman siya. Ano pa ba siya? Pero, syempre, natural look. You don't have to look kabong. Pero, that doesn't mean that you have to look boring. So, pag na-brush ko na siya, gagamitin ko lang yung pencil, drawing, eyebrow. Nagkakataon ko gagawin. Of course, online ko. Pag duduro lang ako ng straight line here. Ayan. Pataas lang. Ayan. Tapos sa dulo parang gagawin ko siya pointy-pointy something. And then of course, gagawin natin siya medyo mataas. Ayan. And then yung mga kalbo, just fill it out. Huwag masyado kasi yung kapag black yung ginagamit mo, depende kasi sa kulay ng hair mo. Yung akin kasi makapal, so hindi ko masyadong sinishade siya. And then just brush it up. Just blend. Of course, the secret blend in it. Just blend, brush. Okay, yeah, perfect. Natural lang siya. At 2OA, if you want more, just add more. Yeah, perfect. Kung gusto nyo mas plakado, you can just add concealer. Pero dahil this is natural, you don't have to be OA. Just go to natural couture makeup tutorial. Now, let's add a little bit ng wing lang siya ng konti with my Face Lady eyeliner. Maliit lang siya. And then this is a natural look. You don't have to look OA. Alright, that turned out great. Perfect. So after that, get your mascara curler. Curl mo lang yung eye. What? Yung lashes, not the eye, bitch. Patuyin mo muna ng konti. Depende kasi sa eyeliner mo. If mabilis matuyo or hindi. Yung akin mabilis matuyo kasi. So just grab your mascara curler and just do that. Like that. Curl. Once you're satisfied with the curl, just grab your mascara and just put it on.
Don't do it.
Alright, I hope you guys can see it. Alright, there you go. That's the eye look. It's very natural. So now, I'm gonna do the other eye off cam and I'll be right back. Alright, there you go guys. Tapos ko na yung left eye. And as you can see, very natural. Hindi OA. So now, let's move on to other parts of the makeup. Lips and the cheek. So next natin is, namumuligan ako. Nasa side lang kasi ako. Bakit? Next natin is yung cheek. Ang ginagawa ko is, inuuna ko siyang siniset using loose powder, Face Lady. I'm just gonna tak lang ako dito. Isaset ko lang siya. Isaset ko yung foundation. And base. Siya. Sumitan lang ng powders. Parang hindi oily. Mag-long lasting. Yan. Alright. After that, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in. You can also use a different sponge if you have it to use para lang ma-set yung powder. Okay. Okay, the next is, if you guys have contour stick. So, ngayon
It's only game. Why you
ginagamit ko is Beauty Life Holiday. It's Capuvini. Kung payat ka naman, you don't have to do contour. But if you feel like adding contour, you can also do so. Remember, the secret is blending. So, gagamitin ko lang yung sponge. I'm just gonna like blend. Remember the secret. Secret is blending. Blend and blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, 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 blend.
Stop it. Get some help.
Kung feeling mo confident ka na sa ilong mo, you don't have to contour that. Dahil natural look lang siya, I don't have to. But again, if you want to, it's up to you as long as it will make you look natural. Pero dahil it's natural, I suggest you don't have to. Next is blush. So for this video, I'm just gonna use the palette Romantic Bird V-Face Beauty Looks. I'm gonna use the first shade, the pink. So kukunin ko lang yung brush, yung malaking brush. I-dip mo lang siya, i-dip siya. And if you feel like that's enough, add it in your cheekbone. Diba? Napaka-pigmented mo. Depende sa product kasi nilagamitin mo. It's so pigmented. Wow, perfect. Wow! And then the plus mo. Then, just blend again. Blend in is the secret. Ayan. Kung lalabas ka ng maaraw, you don't have to lakadong. Oh, sino ka dyan, Sasa? And then the other one, of course, ano isa naman. You have to do both. So just like dab it in again, then blend. Trust the process. Blend in and see the magic. Sino ka dyan, Sasa? And if you think that's enough for your blush, I love this blush kasi tingnan mo, hopefully you guys can see it. Let's move on to the next, which is of course the lips. Since it's natural, you don't have to do lip liner. But I'll also prefer ko my lip liner sometimes. Kasi dun maano yung lips mo. Look evident with the shade. Okay, for this one, I'm gonna use the Glassy lip liner. Itong shade, anong shade to?
Girl.
Number 6, yeah. Number 6. Kasi yung shade ng lips ko, ganyan siya. So, ang pinili ko yung medyo mas darker sa kabila. Ang lipstick na nagamit ko kasi is Double M Lip Glaze JMCY. Ito yung may gloss yung ano sa TikTok. Siyempre TikTok. So, I'm just gonna use this to line my lips. And then after that, of course, I'm gonna grab the lipstick. Yeah. Mahilig kasi ako sa mga glossy. Wala ko yung lips ko is dry. Yan. And then the other side, which is my gloss. Kasi may gloss daw the other side of magic. Very classy. There you go. Okay, perfect. Ayan. So there you go. This is the final look. Ayusin ko lang yung hair ko off cam. I'll be right back. Before I will do my hair, I almost forgot. I have to, kailangan mo na yung spray siya. Setting spray para mag-set in place lahat mo. I-record mo siya. So this first, there you have it. And then, electric pa rin mo lang siya para matuyo. I'll be right back. Tatapusin ko lang yung hair ko off cam. There you have it, you guys. Tatapos ko na yung hair. And of course, I put some earrings on and necklace. Ayan, so there you guys. This is the final look. And I hope you guys liked it. Ayan, very demure, very chic, very natural. Wala masyadong effort. Ayan. And I hope you guys like it. So yun lang yung simple steps na maano ko sa tutorial na to. And if you guys have suggestions, comments, kahit anong gusto nyo sabihin nyo na sa comments. And please don't forget to click that like button, that subscribe button, and the bell icon below. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa natural go-to makeup tutorial na to. A simple video, walang masyadong eme. And like I said, if you guys have questions, if you guys have suggestions, I'm not a makeup artist, disclaimer, kaya don't judge. But you can judge, you can just comment down below. I see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned!